Hello guys, good morning. So right now, nandito kami guys sa Yamasta Park. So we are participating the Yokohama International Parade. So look at this guys, ang gaganda ng mga flowers. It's a roses season. Grabe guys. So papunta na tayo guys. Nasaan kaya aking mga kasamahan? Look at this guys. Very beautiful. Okay.